Hello everyone, welcome in Education Success. Today we will discuss MCQs on firewall. First question is, it is a program or hardware device that filters the information coming from an internet connection to a network or computer system. Options are antivirus, cookies, firewall and cybersecurity. The correct answer is firewall. Firewall, it is a program or hardware device that filter the incoming information through an internet connection to a network or computer system. A firewall is a wall built to prevent fires from damaging a corporate intranet. Second option, security device developed at the boundary of a company to prevent unauthorized physical access. Third option, security device deployed at boundary of a corporate intranet to protect it from unauthorized access. Fourth option, device to prevent all accesses from the internet to the corporate intranet. Correct answer is option number C, security device that deployed at the boundary of a corporate intranet to protect it from an unauthorized access. A firewall may be implemented in routers which connect intranet to internet. Option B, bridges used in an intranet. Third, expensive modem. And fourth option, users application programs. So firewall may be implemented in routers which connect intranet and internet. So correct option is option A. Firewall as a part of router program filters only packet coming from internet, filters only packets going to internet, filters packet traveling from and to the internet, from the internet, ensures rapid traffic of packets for speedy e-commerce. Firewall is a part of router program that filters traveling from and to the internet from the internet. So it is the option C is correct. A list or tables of stored by a router or switch that controls access to and from a network is called as ACL, that is access control list. So correct option is B, ACL, access control list. It is maintained by the firewall which is stored by a router that controls access to and from a network. A type of firewall closely related to a packet filter that can track the status of connection through use a state table that keeps track of connection activities. And options are given: NLMA detection, protocol decoding, stateful inspection, state table. Correct answer is here stateful inspection. It is a type of firewall that closely related to a packet filter that track the status of a connection, and that's why it is called as stateful inspection. It checks it tracks the status of a connection through use of a state table that keeps track of connection activities. A table in which data about connection activity is kept by a stateful firewall. Already we have seen in the last question, it is a table that is called as the state table where we are storing all the status activity. So a table in which data connection activity is kept by a stateful firewall is called as the state table. So correct answer is B. A type of stateless inspection used in some routers and firewall to limit flow of traffic to what is on the ACL. There are two types of status or stateful filter and stateless. So in a stateless inspection used in some routers that use a firewall to limit flow of traffic to which the ACL is controlled, that is called as the packet filter here. So correct option is A, packet filter. A method used by an IDS that involves checking for a pattern to identify unauthorized activity. IDS means intrusion detection system. So a method used by intrusion detection system that involves checking for a pattern to identify unauthorized activity is called as pattern matching. In the pattern matching, they have some patterns stored in their database. They check that pattern and according to that they are identifying unauthorized activity. So correct option is pattern matching. An analysis method used by some IDS that looks for instances that are not considered normal behavior. It's called as anomaly detection. So correct answer is here option B, anomaly detection. Bypassing device or performing another action to attack or place malware on a target network without being detected. It is called as the evasion. Evasion is a bypassing a device or perform some another action to attack or place malware on a targeted network without being detected. A tool that uses the monitoring of network traffic, detection of unauthorized access attempts and notification of unauthorized access attempts to network administrator. Options given: anomaly detection, ACL that is access control list, IDS means intrusion detection system, and session splicing. Here the correct answer is IDS, that is the intrusion detection system. It is a tool that is monitoring the network traffic, detection of unauthorized access attempt and notification of unauthorized access attempt to a network administrator. A method of avoiding detection by an IDS by sending portions of a request in different packets is called as a session splicing. Session splicing means it divide or it sending the portions of a request in different packets. So it is a method adopted by the IDS to avoid the detection sending portions of a request in different packets. A way of looking at raw packet data. It's called as protocol decoding. So correct option is C, protocol decoding. A server or application that interprets the request clients make of another server, fill the request that can and then forward the request it cannot handle on the other server, thus helping to improve performance and security. It is called as the proxy server. A proxy server intercept the request client, make of another server, fill the request that it can, and if it is not, then forward the request to handle the other server. So in this way they help to improve the performance and security of the server. A way to change the network address information in IP packet headers with a router by connecting multiple computers using one IP address connected to the internet or IP address to convey many private addresses into one public address. It's called as the NAT, that is called as a network address translation. It is a way to change the network address information. Which of the following is digital certificate standard? Options are given: X.508, X.509, D.509, none of the above. So correct answer is here option B, X.509. This is the digital certificate standard. The certificate authority signs the digital certificate with options: user's public key, second user's private key, C its own public key, and fourth option its own private key. So correct answer is user own private key, means its own private key. The certificate authority signs the digital certificate with its own private key. So option D is correct one. A digital signature is, it is a bit string giving identity of a correspondent, it is a unique identification of a sender, or it is an authentication of an electronic record by typing it uniquely to a key only a sender knows, or it an encrypted signature to a sender. The correct option is here C. A digital signature is an authentication of electronic record by typing it uniquely to a key only a sender knows. A digital signature provides which of the following? Options: authentication, non-repudiation, integrity protection, all of the above. All of the above is provided by digital signature. It provides authentication, non-repudiation, integrity protection. So correct option is D. A virus is a network dash issue. Performance, reliability, security, none of the above. The correct answer is security. A virus is a network security issue. How can you help to stop the spam? Options: block certain email addresses known for sending spam. B. Set up email filters based on the keywords known to be in the spam. Third, unsubscribe from listeners and listwords. And for all of the above. From all these ways we can stop the spam. So all our options are correct one. Which of the following is a valid difference between a virus and spyware? Options are: spyware damage data and also steals sensitive private information. Virus damage data, spyware steals sensitive private information. Spyware damage data and virus steals sensitive private information. Fourth option: virus damage data and also steals sensitive private information. Now here virus damages the data and spyware steals the sensitive data or sensitive private information. So correct option is option B. Virus damages data and spyware steals your sensitive private information. This is the difference between virus and spyware. Antivirus program hash files on a computer in order to detect which of the following activities? Options: file size changes, B. file permission changes, C. file content changes, and D. all of the above. So here option C is correct, that is the file content changes. Activity program hash files on a computer in order to detect file content changes. Something set up on a separate network or DMZ to attack hackers and lure them away from real network. It goes keystroke, provides other information about an attacker and also provides warning that someone is trying to attack your network. It's called as, options are given: proxy server, state table, evasion, honeypot. So correct answer is here honeypot. It is a separate network to attack the hacker and lure them from a real network. So correct option is honeypot. Encryption technique improve a network's performance, reliability, security or longevity. The correct option is here security. Encryption technique improve the network's security. By encryption of a text we can compressing it, expanding it, scrambling it to preserve its security or hashing it. By encryption of a text we can scrambling it to preserve its security because it is a security issue, so we are scrambling it to preserve the security. So correct option is C. Encryption can be done only on textual data, only on ASCII coded data, on any bit string, only on numeric data. So the correct answer is option C, on any bit string. Encryption can be done on any string, any bit string. What happened to your data when it is encrypted? Options: it is transferred to the third party, encoded, then sent back. B. It is compressed, renamed and archived. C. It is sent through a series of supercomputers to be compressed multiple times. D. It is recorded to retain privacy from third parties. Correct option is fourth. It is recorded to retain privacy from third parties when it is encrypted. Thank you.